Hi there, my name is Adolfo Arriaga and this is my first video. In this video I will show you how to make an amazing website with WordPress. If you don't know how to install WordPress, how to buy a hosting or how to buy a domain, below this video check the links, okay, where you can know how to have a domain or how to have a hosting. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing we need to do in WordPress, okay, this is our dashboard, okay. Okay, we need to install a theme, okay. The first theme is generatepress. I love generatepress. Okay, I have already installed. I will update and I will delete all the default themes, okay. The second thing we need to do is install plugins. Okay, go to plugins, add new, and the keyword is so let me check, generate blocks. This is the first one, and then activate. Okay, the second plugin is contact form 7. Okay, add new. Okay, contact form 7. Okay, and the last one is lightweight social icons. Okay, like this by Thomas Usborne. Okay, we will install. Okay, all in this video we're gonna use generatepress in free version, contact form, generateblocks, and lightweight social icons are free plugins, so you don't need to buy anything. You just need a hosting and a domain. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing we need to do, we're gonna make the pages. We have default pages. Okay, I will delete, move to trash. Okay, first one is, okay, we can make a home. Okay, publish. We can add something like about us. Okay, the third one is services, for example. Okay, another one, contact. Okay, let's publish. Okay, perfect. Okay, we need to go to appearance and then generatepress. Okay, we don't have available these options because these only are with the premium version, but okay, so continue to customize option. Okay, first thing we need to do okay, is the homepage settings. Okay, and a static page, and the home page is gonna be home, and let's publish. Okay, this is I don't like these columns, so go to layout and go to sidebars and sidebar layout. Okay, just we have to choose just content. Okay, and let's publish. Okay, go to colors, background colors. We can make just the color white. Okay, by default we have a kind of gray, but I don't like it. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, let's publish. Go to pages and go to home and edit. Okay, first thing to begin the design. Okay, sidebar layout by default. Okay, footer widgets by default, it's okay. Content container, always full width. Disable elements. Okay, um, yes, I will disable home because it's not have sense to have the same the name of the page up in this page. Okay, so let's begin. Just lorem ipsum text. I need just a lorem ipsum text to fill spaces. Okay. 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 Here we're gonna make the hero. Okay. So you can, the first option is container. Okay, and full width. Okay, go to the option, click over the container and go to the option spacing and the padding. I always give, for example, 150, okay. In tablet, I will try with 125 in top and the bottom. In mobile, 100 and 100. That's enough. Probably 250. It's better. 250. It's better. Gonna change in tablet too, and we're not gonna change in mobile too. Okay. So let's choose a background and browse. We're gonna select our files. I have a lot of pictures, so just a few one are enough. You can choose the pictures you want. Okay, I think this picture is cute. Okay, second thing is a text, a title. Okay, so let's work with the headline of generateblocks. You can choose here if you want heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or paragraph. Okay, so let's work with the header 2. Okay. Title website. This is an amazing website. Okay. In spacing, the padding always 20. Okay. Second thing, we're gonna make text, and here is our lorem ipsum. Okay. Next thing, we're gonna add a button. Okay. And I will change the colors of this button. Okay. I think background. Okay. Transparent. Okay. No color. Text color white. Border color, I think white is a good option. Hover background color, I think white is a good option. Text color in hover black. Border color, we can choose white too. Go to spacing and border size. Okay, we can sync all sides of our buttons. Okay, 1.5. I think it looks good. Okay. Border radius. Okay, we're gonna sync it. Probably 7. Okay. Click over the container again, and we're gonna change some colors here. We can, for example, for background, we can use color black, text, text, text color white, and background, and image opacity. We're gonna change it. Okay, you can you can use gradient if you want. For example, this one. Okay, I don't like it gradient backgrounds because I don't know. I just work with black gradients. Don't I think, but if you want to make in your website a gradient, this is the option. Okay, but I will deactivate the gradient because I think this looks beautiful. Okay, so I will check the padding of our button, click over the button, and then go to spacing and padding. Check. You have to click out the button, no the button exactly, but because if you click over the button, the spacing and the padding is inside the button, like this. Okay. So click here. Okay. Probably the top 20, 20, 25. I think it's enough. Okay. Okay. So margin. Okay. We're gonna work with the margin. Okay. With the margin of the button. Okay. I think it's look beautiful like this. Okay. So continue. Let's continue with a section, another container. Okay, full width. Click over the container again. We can go to spacing and the padding. You can give 150 and 150 on the top and bottom. Okay, tablet 125, bottom 125, mobile 100 and 100, both top and bottom. Okay. Then we can add a grid. Okay, first, this is a section of services, so we're gonna, for example, we're gonna work in 3 services. Okay, so a 3-column grid. Okay, so you can click over here exactly, and you can work in every column. Okay, so right here I'm gonna work with a headline, 3 service 1. Okay, so center the title. Then we can choose a text. Okay, online text, paragraph. So let's use our lorem ipsum just here. Okay. Service 1. We can use an icon for this title. So click over the header 3 and then icon. We have some icons here, but if you need another icons, you can go to tinyicons.com. So we can use these icons. Okay, so for example, we can use this add. Okay, just click and icon SVG and paste, and we have this icon. You can the icon location you can put above the heading. Okay, icon size you can change it. Okay, let's check computer or a laptop here. Okay. Okay, this laptop I think looks better. Okay. We can use the buttons. Okay, let's click, okay, right there, right here, and center the button. Okay, let's click the button to change colors. Okay, I think no background. In normal text color, I think this gray, border color, this gray, and a hover background, we can use the black, text color white, border color, I think black. Okay, go to spacing, border size. Okay, let's sync all the values. Okay, 1.5. Border radius, let's sync it, and then 7. Okay. I think we can change this gray. Okay, let's go to normal. Say 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 6. Okay, I think this is better. Okay. So click in the column again because we don't have enough space between the icon and the button. So in the column, we go to the option spacing, and we work with padding with 25, and the bottom 25, both. Okay. In tablet, the same. We can work the same, but we can fill it if you want. In mobile, the same thing, probably a little less. 15 and 15, both top and bottom. Okay. So if you don't want to repeat this process for these columns, we can click over the column again and then just duplicate. So you don't need to waste time to make in every column the same configuration. Okay, to set to every column space. Okay. So I will change the these icons. Okay, so let me see. For example, a mobile. Okay, mobile one. Okay, the icon clear and paste it. Okay, solid. Okay, perfect. Laptop, okay, in solid. Okay, other service probably what? Let me check. For example, this Apple. Okay. Clear. So, I'm gonna check. Okay, I think it's a good design. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, before continue, we can change something in this one. Okay, I will click over the container, and I will use a grid with 2 columns to change design. Okay, so in this column I will use a headline. Okay. Then over these six dots, we can click and make this. Okay, I will erase this. I think this is better. It looks better. Okay. I will reduce text. It's too long. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. The other thing we need to do is about us section. Okay. So let's add another container, full width, spacing, okay, 150 and 150. Remember, top and bottom, okay. In tablet, 125, 125. In mobile, 125. No, sorry, 100 and bottom, 100, okay. So we can make a difference between two sections. So I will choose a different color from the services section. Okay, so the color I will choose the background color F8, F8, F9. Okay, so agreed. Columns, okay, and a headline inside the column about us. And spacing, we're gonna use bottom in the margin, and then small text paragraph. Okay, so I think this text is enough because it's lorem ipsum. Okay. I will copy the design of this button. So click here, not inside the button, here, okay? Outside the button. And duplicate. Okay, we can use a picture here. For example, this one. Okay, we can change the layout again, and the vertical alignment we can center. Okay, it looks better. Okay, this is the picture. I think it's perfect. Just we're gonna work in the padding, because I don't know how it looks in mobile design. Okay, I will update the changes. Okay, let's see our website. So update again. Okay, look this. That's the reason we need to change the spaces between columns. Okay, so let's check it right now. Spacing, okay, in the padding, in the top 25 and bottom 25. I think this column the same. In the services column, 25 and 25. spacing 25, 25. Okay. Spacing top 25, bottom 25. Okay, update. Let's check it. Okay, it looks better. Okay, so the next section is, I think we can work in the contact form. Okay, so we can duplicate this section. Okay, and duplicate. Okay, just we need to choose the container and change the color. We can use the white color. Okay, perfect. Contact us. Okay, we can add another text right here. We can delete this, remove this picture. Okay, we're gonna set our contact form. Go to contact, and then contact form 1, and then edit. Okay, I have all my codes in a block text. Okay, so you can copy and paste this from the Google Drive below this video. Okay. Okay. Message. Okay, perfect. And the mail. Okay. All the message that people will send by the contact form will go to this mail. Okay, I can choose my mail from. Okay, I don't change this. Subject. You can, for example, just site title. That's enough. Reply to your email, and that's enough. Okay, we're gonna use just this one, no more. Just name, email, and message. Because people just want to contact you. People don't want to share a lot of information. Okay, so we can copy right here. Okay, name, mail or email, and message. That's enough. Okay, and save. Then we have to copy this code. Okay, let's go back to our website. And in search for a block, we're gonna write HTML, custom HTML. So let's click, and we're gonna paste it, the code of our contact form. Okay, we can change this button. So in the for example, we can erase the borders. Okay, I go to icon and social icon, and we can use the Facebook icon. Okay, in hover we can remove the color from background, text color, just black, border, no border color too, just this one. Facebook user, for example. Okay, let's see the spacing in the padding. Okay, in the bottom probably we're gonna work in this different 25. Okay, and we can choose outside the button and then duplicate. Okay, and we're gonna use, for example, Instagram. Okay, so click here and then you can paste here your link, okay, for your fan page or a group, okay, in your Instagram too, okay, and duplicate. And we can use, for example, clear an icon for a telephone, okay, so we can use okay, something like this, okay. If you want, when people touch in the mobile this icon, you can use this code, TEL, okay, 2 points, 2 dots, and your telephone number, okay. So here this column we're gonna in the layout we're gonna give we're gonna center the vertical alignment, okay. So let's update our website. Okay, I think this is a beautiful design. This is not a perfect design, but we are work with free with just free plugins and a free gem. Okay, so I think this is enough for a basic website. Okay, so I will finish all pages in a simple tip. I will show you a simple tip to finish all websites. Okay, so let's begin about us and edit page. For example, okay, just full width, disable elements, update. For example, we can copy this container about us, copy, okay. We can use more information right here, change this picture, and then we can copy the contact form below the about us information, okay. So if you want to anchor this contact, we can use this button, okay. So let's click over the button and you can put hashtag contact. Let's copy the contact and click over the section you want to anchor. Go to advanced and HTML HTML anchor, and let's copy the word contact. Update. So let's see about us. Let's refresh. Okay, button, and it's work. Okay. Let's update. Other page services. Okay. We can copy this container. Remember the content container full width. Disable the content title, update, and just click over the container, okay, and Control C, and then Control B, and you can copy and paste, okay, something like this. To copy, and Control B to paste. Okay, this is a tip. Okay, so we can copy this one. Okay, we already finished the services section. Okay, so we can finish the contact full width, content title, update. For example, we can use this one for the contact. We can change, for example, the padding. Okay, we can change it. Just like other sections. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. And finally, we have a very simple website, but I think this is a beautiful design. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, perfect. Let's refresh the contact. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Okay, perfect. I think this is a perfect website. You can change all sections. You can use the same sections just with free plugins. No payment, no pay plugins. Okay. I think it's a beautiful website for mobile too. I think it's perfect. Okay, we're gonna change some. We're gonna make some additional things in our website. So go to customize. For example, in the right here, site identity, and we can change my business. Okay. We can add this tagline. Or we can use, but I always hide. And we can, right here, we can choose a logo for our website. For example, this one. You can crop the logo if you want. Okay, just something like this. You can change the logo width, and you can choose a fab icon, a favorite icon for your website. It can be the same logo. Okay, and then publish. Okay, an additional setting is because we have this one, this problem in our website. Okay, look this. So you can paste in the CSS this code. I below to in Google Drive below this video. Okay, and then publish. Hide control, and we now have this problem, these arrows, and it looks beautiful. Okay. And okay, let's close. And for example, another additional change, we can go to the settings, for example permalinks, and we can choose post name, save changes. So we have the same in our links, we have the same words, okay, of the title, okay, no, not a strange code. Okay, so this is the first tutorial I work in English language, so please, if I don't have a perfect English, I know I don't have a perfect English language, but I think I can help people how to make a beautiful website with this beautiful language. But sorry if I have if I have a bad English language, but I hope you can use this video to make a beautiful website for your business using just free plugins. Okay, so thanks for your attention and regards.